How to edit hyperlinks color on Wix Blog. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the hyperlink color and show up that it is going to be a link or a clickable link within your Wix blog. So basically, I'm going to head over my Wix website by heading over wix.com, sign in for an account and everything. After that, we're going to head over the left side of the screen, click on blogs, and then we're going to click on posts. So this first method is going to be having or including the blog post editor. So we can go ahead and click on the post itself by clicking on it, and it is going to open up the editor of the blog post. And then it is going to be showing up something like that. And as you can see, I have already a hyperlink called link. So how we can change the color of it. And yes, as you have guessed, it is going to be a text changement color. So either you are going to put a highlight color or the text color. As you can see, it is going to be this orangey, I think, color. I can go ahead and make it this blue. So I have changed the link, as you can see, like that. And on whatever reason or whatever word that you're going to select here and put a hyperlink on it, which is going to be implementing, selecting the word and clicking on link, and it is going to be showing up, for example, something, I don't know here, a link. It is going to be something that will change the color of that word, as you can see, just like that. This is going to be changing automatically to the red or the orange color. So as you can see, this is it. Now that was for the first method. Now I'm going to head over the Wix website by heading over the editor, click on edit site on the home or the setup page, open up the website. This is the editor. Head over the left side of the screen, click on pages and menu, then we're going to select blog pages. Now on the blog pages, we're going to select posts. From the posts, it is going to show up the posts of the website that you have chosen. Let's see here why it is not showing up the post. It is going to be taking maybe a little bit of time. So we are going to give it its time. So it is going to be a parameter here. Now, after you have set the, let's say here, the posts, you can go ahead and click on the section. And here you can see that we have the posts. So we have here some problem with the network, I think. Click on settings. Doesn't matter a lot, so the goal from here is going to head over the settings. When you click on the designs, for example, or the display, you can go ahead and have some specific things. So for design, you can go ahead and have the posts, and then you can have also the titles. For example, description, the title, the text color on hover, the border. This is not it, the category feed. So I'm going to head over here, link or label. The text color, they have removed actually the text or the hyperlinks from here. So they have added it into the only blog post editor. So it doesn't matter. You have to set up the first method. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.